If you're tired of your makeup melting off before lunch, this video is for you. So if you're a beginner, a busy mom, or just want an everyday face that looks like skin and can survive in this disrespectful heat wave, I'm going to show you exactly how I do mine in 10 minutes. Let's jump in. So I already did my skincare off camera. I'm going in with my REFY primer, and then I'm going under my eyes with this Belif Aqua Bomb. I know that you guys may think that because it's hot outside, you don't need to hydrate your skin, but that's the complete opposite. We'll go into that on another video. But make sure you're hydrating your skin. Please hydrate your skin. Now, we're going to go in with this Danessa Myricks Water Powder Serum, and then I'm going to pair it with the One Size Oil Sucker. Now, these are the secret weapons for a bulletproof, sweat-proof makeup application. The water powder serum is amazing on its own, but if you live in Virginia, I live in Virginia, it is hot out there. This humidity is beating us down to the ground. So if you need an extra oomph, you're going outside to a concert, you're going to be outside for a longer time, you're going to be outside just period. This is going to make sure that you are having long lasting makeup. Now, I'm not doing a ton of makeup, so I want to go in and blur out my imperfections. So I'm going under my eyes and on my dark spots with this Huda Beauty, I think it's like a peach skin corrector. So I'm going to go in, put that where I need it, and I'm going to blend that out. And as you can see, it just kind of just mutes my tone down. Like, you don't see the darkness, you don't see the imperfections. It gives us like a clean slate to go from. Now, I'm going to do another review on this because I love this product. It is a Fenty Stalk'r cream bronzer. Girl, Miss Fenty, Robin Fenty, girl, you did this bronzer. Now, Fenty has always done really well with bronzers. This may be my favorite one. I have her original bronzer from the first ever launch, and that was my girl. This one, love it down. As you can see, it just gives you that sun-kissed look, like, oh, she's been in the sun. She is a goddess. That's what it's giving. I just put that under my cheekbones, and I put that on the bridges of my nose, and I put that on my forehead, and I kind of blended that out. So I did something slight because I wanted to now go in with my concealer, and I do go in with a concealer on the top that's a bit more of my complexion, and on the bottom I go in with one that's a bit lighter, and I blend that out with my little triangle sponge. I like the triangle sponge for blending under the eye. For whatever reason, I just feel like it gives me more of a flawless, blurred look. I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's what I like to do. Now, I'm going to go in with a skin tint. This one is from Milk Makeup. I'm only going to use this small amount of skin tint, and it's because I've done my bronzer, I've done my concealer. I'm only going to place this skin tint where it is absolutely necessary. On the bottoms of my face, I'm going to put it on my forehead, and I'm going to use the remaining amount on my back of my hand to blend out any harsh lines from my concealer and bronzer. That is it. I'm not going to cake my face with foundation, skin tint. I'm only going to place it where it's absolutely needed. That is the purpose of underpainting, so that you can use less product and it can feel like you don't have much on your face. That is the, I guess, trick to wearing makeup in the summertime, to do a makeup application where you don't use a ton of product. So now I'm going to set my cream products with this Peach Pie blurring powder from Huda Beauty. I think that's how you say it. I'm going to go in, I'm going to press it into my under eye area. The reason that I say press is because people just go straight in with the powder on the triangle. No, you need to even that powder out first on the back of your hand, and then go in and press the powder into your skin so that you don't get a cakey look with your powder, but also so it's easier to blend out. It doesn't look like I'm doing much, but as you can see, if you look before and after, there's definitely a difference. I'm pressing it into my skin, and then I'm going in with the rest. Now, I love a blush, so I am going to do like a gradient blush effect. This Watermelon Bliss from House Labs is that girl. I'm going to go in on the top of my, I guess, cheeks into my forehead area. I'm going to go in with the Watermelon Bliss. Then I'm going to blend out the bottoms of the cheek with the MAC one. It's a bit lighter. I want to say it's called Blush Baby. and I'm going to use that on the bottom of my cheek to kind of blend the top and the bottom in together. I'm going to take this bronzer from Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it. It's more towards my skin tone, and put that in my eye area. I'm not doing a whole bunch of eyeshadow in the summertime because I have sunglasses on, so I'm going to just throw a little bronzer in there. I've never tried blue mascara. I was in Ulta, I saw it, and I was like, let's try this on. So I really like it. What I did end up doing in another video, and I'll show you guys, is taking a pair of lashes and caking the mascara on, and it was so cute. I am really in love with blue mascara. I'm going to try a blue eyeliner next, but I just feel like for the summer, I'm not doing a lot of eye looks outside of like mascara, lashes, and an eyeliner. A cute little graphic eyeliner is cute. Usually because I have on sunglasses, and because we said we wanted to keep it cute and minimum. So we're going to just throw on a nice mascara and a little lash maybe, and we out the door. So that is what I did. Lips, I'm doing my normal combo. I'm in love with this Coin Collector lip liner from One Size. I know we love Chestnut from MAC, but this one is a bit more long lasting to me. A perfect brown liner for a brown girl. They do have deeper complexions for the deeper girlies, but I really enjoy this one. Like, I've went to a cookout, had a little burnt hot dog and everything, and she was still there. So I know it's a win for me. So I carry her in my pocketbook. She's a win. She's a win. I am going to go in with Honey Love from MAC. That is my OG makeup little combo. And then I'm going to go in with the new lip glasses from MAC. It's like a high cushion shine. And it's called Melt. It's like a muted brown. And I do really enjoy it. I don't know. It's just cute. I like a little muted brown in the summertime. It's a cute little pop. But that's it, y'all. What you don't see here is I do douse my face in the L'Oreal setting spray. I do live and die by her. She is my girl. I don't know. Y'all try this out and let me know how it goes. Send me pictures. Tag me. See y'all in the next one.